individually. I'm super stoked and super kicked that we've started off on a great note, and we only wish to entertain the Kings 11 fans and the fans around the country, and we hope to play great cricket. We've obviously worked really hard in the camps leading up to the IPL, so yeah, keep supporting us, keep praying for us, and we hope all the Punjabis in the house will come out in great numbers and support us. And yeah, and also like I said in the morning today, I have some very exciting news for all of you. Okay, so I'm going to be launching something very soon, something which is very, very close to my heart, and I want all of your support and blessings and wishes. It's something that's inspired by the streets, inspired by how we all grew up, and where we all played cricket and gully cricket and different sports. So this is something very, very close to my heart, and I hope you guys like it. It's very young, it's very cool, it's very brash, it's fearless. That's what this thing is all about, and that is all I can give you. I'll let you guys keep guessing what I'm talking about for a very brief while, and I'll give you some more updates and news about this very soon. Interested and keep you guys guessing. Yeah, so apart from that, there's nothing much happening. As you can see, that's where my home team BFC boys play. I think I can see them training right now. Yeah, okay, I'll stay on the live for a couple of minutes, answer you guys' questions. Let's see. Hello. Thank you so much. Are you signing with Puma? That's a good question. You guys will get to know very soon what I'm talking about, and yeah, I think I've been very open with my fans and with people who love me. I've always kept you guys informed, so you guys will get to know about that real soon. Thank you so much, everybody, for appreciating the knock. Yeah, I only wish to get better with my game, and hopefully I can keep entertaining you guys. And yeah, so it's a long IPL, so I only wish to continue the same form. Everybody's saying just hello. How is Punjab treating you? Punjab is amazing. It's making me put on a little bit of weight on my face, as you can see. I've been eating a lot of food in Punjab. It's too delicious, and the people are very warm and very happy people. I just love that about Punjab, and how they're always so happy. Rahul, do you miss RCB? Give the boys and the team the freedom to go out there and enjoy ourselves. There it is, my beautiful Bangalore, and the view from my room.